In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect headphones to FL Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up any set of headphones that you have and use them inside of FL Studio. So I'm gonna teach you how to properly select them as the default output device. So the very first thing that you have to do, of course, is to make sure that the connection between your headphones and your PC or laptop was established. Most headphones will be connected through the headphone jack or the 3.5mm audio port. So you just plug one end of the cable into the headphones and then the other one into your PC or laptop. Of course, this is going to differ for every single headphone model out there. For this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about how to connect your model of headphones to a PC or laptop. If you still aren't sure how to do this, check the manual for your own model. But once this connection has been established, then inside of FL Studio, go over to the options and then select audio settings. So it is going to be the second category here. Once you choose audio settings, you will see a menu like this. And under the audio category, you will be able to find device. So you will see the input and output devices. And for the device, you have to select the specific model of headphones that you have to use. So usually you will have the default speakers if you are on a laptop, for example, and then every single other connected audio device here. You simply have to choose the one that you want to use. And once it has been selected, if you choose the headphones that you connected, all of the audio will be output to them instead of the speakers or any other selection. So to keep it simple, establish the connection between the headphones and your PC or laptop, open FL Studio, go over to the settings, and you will find them here on the output for the audio devices. And as long as you select it from here, you will be good to go. There is no other thing to do, and you should be able to listen to all of the audio. If it is still not working, double check the connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect headphones to FL Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.